Hello.
Hello.
CG was able to join now.
Yeah, we can see him.
CG?
Yes, I'm here. I can
Yes,
hear you.
CG. Yes, I'm able to see him now.
G laptop.
What is your meeting ID? Join a meeting.
Meeting ID?
Judajit, can you
Yeah.
mute all
Meeting
and
ID
have just CG talk?
863.
Are you joining the meeting ID? Na?
Uh-huh.
860.
So I'm just muting all and just unmuting Doctor and CG.
Right.
CG has joined with what name?
Hello.
CG has joined with CG laptop.
कौन से एम्बेसडर है?
Hello, Reena.
अब ठीक किया इन्होंने. अच्छा.
You
Okay, you can hear me all?
Yes, Dr. Sab, we can hear you.
All right. So let's go ahead and start this evening. Everybody, a good evening. And once again, Honorable Sanjay Pandaji, our Ambassador, Consul General, San Francisco, Consulate General of San Francisco. As you know, this is a time where usually we get together, have a large party. And here we are sitting in homes or some people at work even, and then trying to have this gathering where we, all trying to say farewell to a person who we've loved so much, who we have partnered so much in all our activities, all the festivities, whatever has happened in the San Francisco Bay Area, or as a matter of fact, the whole West Coast, the largest consulate in the whole country has been right here. And we've been very fortunate that we are here in the Bay Area, San Francisco Bay Area. And all right, there's some background coming in, but anyway, we have a very limited time and we have lots and lots of people who wanted to express their feelings and their sentiments while saying farewell. What we're going to be doing is recognizing a few people earlier, then let CG say a few words, and then come back and reach out to everybody else, see how many we can accommodate. We do have these messages from many of you. You've been very kind enough to put them together in our chat, the chat group, and we will compile them all together. And along with the plaque, which we have on behalf of all of you for our Consul General, I think we'll be delivering it to him over the weekend. And after this meeting, we'll get some time with him and go meet him in person and deliver the plaque, as well as all the messages from all of you. And even if somebody's left out, please don't feel bad because, like I said, usually we do it at the great pump and show, with getting together. The functions like this, we look forward to it. We as always love to celebrate a lot of things, and any reason, because he's going to a place which he'll be talking about, representing us, even in where the need is, a lot more where the need is here. So we'll be talking about those things. Well, once again, welcome everybody. People I see they're still joining us. So what we're going to do is, I think, first group which is here with us is from Art of Living and Overseas Volunteer for Better India, Sanjana Chopra, Mohan Trikha, Tej Chaudhary, and the whole group. So go ahead, Sanjana, floor is yours. Can you unmute?
Okay, I will unmute Sanjana.
Sanjana Chopra and Mohan Trikha.
Okay, I'm unmuting
them on the
Sanjana
screen.
Chopra now. Sanjana, you're unmuted.
And put her on the screen, please.
No,
Sanjana?
she's not unmuted. She's still is muted.
I just did it, but I don't know.
She will have to do it
Control.
herself.
Sanjana, can you just unmute yourself? Or Mohanji, can you just unmute yourself?
Sanjana ji, you are on
There
Yeah,
mute.
you are unmuted now.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
Sanjana,
okay. All
yes.
right. Okay. On behalf of Heart of Living and all its affiliated organizations, OVBI, IAHV, we really thank you, Consul General Panda. This has been a pleasure working with you, and I know you have done a lot for this community here. So thank you again for everything, your support. And the time has been really short. We were looking forward to working more with you, and but I guess you have to move for better opportunities and better things somewhere else. But we are still here, and as you know, Art of Living is present in like over 150 countries. So if you need any help in Turkey or wherever else you go, please reach out, let us know, and we will be definitely, there to do anything that you need.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
Sanjana
much.
ji. Yeah. Mohantrika. Go
Mohan,
ahead. Unmute yourself.
unmute
When you
yourself.
tell your names. Yeah. That'll be the best way. Unmute yourself and say a few words.
Yes, if I try to unmute them, like everybody would be
Oh,
unmuted. Yeah.
That's
Mohan.
right.
okay. Can you hear me?
Yes. You
All
are
right.
on. Welcome.
Oh,
Now we see Shika
my
also.
wife Shika and me together. How are you?
Very well. Very well.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. So I remember Sanjay Panji when we met 2 years back almost at the Thai event, and you were gracious enough to be part of us and encouraged us very much. And over time, we are through OVBI taking on the water challenge for India. We've done 500 villages up to the end of last year, and we had plans, but unfortunately COVID came in and we've not been able to sustain that same momentum. But we are very much wanting to sort of continue that challenge. The whole team, the OVBI team, Satej, and the rest of them are very much want to continue to push for it, and your encouragement has been fantastic. This is an area close to your heart, and thank you so much. Wish that you were here with us a little longer time, but you're doing the right job, and congratulations for your new assignment. I'm sure India would be proud of you, and good luck.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your kind words.
Thank you. Thank you, Mohanji and Sanjana ji. We have Chandru Bhamra from Overseas Friends of BJP and Patwardhan ji.
Chandruji, are you there? Can you just unmute? Or Gaurav Patwardhan, you can just unmute and then talk on behalf of Chandruji of BJP. Okay, so I don't think so they are there. So let's move on.
I saw earlier. Jodhajit, can you? There you go.
Yeah, Gaurav is here. Yeah.
Gaurav is here. Gaurav ji, unmute yourself and then talk.
Gaurav ji, unmute yourself.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Namaste, Sanjay ji. On
Yeah.
behalf of Overseas Friends of BJP, I don't know if Chandruji is here, but would like to really thank and appreciate all your efforts and service to the community, especially with the Vande Bharat mission, which was successfully concluded as phase 1 and phase 2. We saw you in action, and we saw you really connecting with the community, helping them. I was with you at the airport for the first flight. Thanks for the opportunity. And we definitely wish you good luck for your future assignment and hope to stay in touch with you. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Thank you, Dr. Jabra ji, for organizing this farewell and including all of us. Thank you. Namaste.
Work for the community so that whole community can get together and wish him all the best. That is one of the things we're trying to do right here. And Chandrasekhar Wagh from HSS, Hindu Swayamsevak Sangh, and there were a few others also. If I know Sumna ji and some of the other people are here as well. Can you
So
unmute them?
Chandrasekhar is not there. Whoever is representing
Yeah,
HSS,
Chandrasekhar ji, I have unmuted you.
Okay, good. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
Chandra.
Thank you.
Very good.
Namaskar, Pandaji. I'm Chandrasekhar from HSS. So this is very different farewell. Like I think in the lifetime we are doing all e-farewell. But something good is happening. We can see beard of Dr. Japdaji and others also. Yeah.
That's
So,
one way to keep the COVID away. That's what everybody said now. My patients ask me, and I tell them, I said, the COVID will stay away, so start growing.
Yes. I think when I heard about it, so before that one, actually, some of my colleagues wanted to join, but they couldn't. I think so. Please excuse for that one. Yeah. So when I heard about it, actually, I thought you just came in and you are soon going away. So, so the time flies actually. So we had actually very cordial and very good communication and relationship with the consulate. We worked with Sri Ashok Venkateshan, Dr. Srinivasa, Rohit ji, and then Venkat Ramana, and now later we worked with you and Sumati ji. So I think we are always having a very fantastic journey, and we could see that the consulate has really well connected with the community. That is one of the very good plus point I have seen it in my 20 years of living in USA. Yeah, and from HSS actually we kind of helped our kind of we partnered with consulate for whatever the occasion, whether it's early morning Republic Day celebration at Gadar Memorial or the India Day celebration in the community hall, and we work together. And I hope actually we have done our contribution as well. So Pandaji, actually it is really kind of a I could say it was really short for all of us to connect with you. So on behalf of all the families of HSS, we would like to congratulate you for your next appointment and wish you all the best, and we'll be in touch.
Thank you.
Namaskar.
Okay, next one is Upma. So you can, Judajit, please unmute Neeluji.
Neeluji, Jyoti Kaushal, the current president, see if they're there, or Ritesh Tandonji, if he's there.
I saw
And
Neeluji.
please just take 1 minute. So everybody, I'm going to request, we have more than 50 people here who wanted to say, otherwise we're close to...
Please go ahead.
Okay. Is there anybody from Upma?
आप बोलिए नीलू जी.
संजय जी, बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं है, आपको जाते देखकर बोल नहीं पाते हैं. एंड आपका समय हमारे साथ बहुत, पूरी कम्युनिटी के साथ बहुत अच्छा रहा, खासकर हिंदी दिवस पर जब आप ह्यूस्टन गए हुए थे और स्पेशली आप फ्लाई करके हिंदी दिवस सेलिब्रेट करके नहीं आए और वापस गए. मतलब इससे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल और क्या हो सकता है. हम आपके विश करते हैं कि आप जहाँ भी रहें इससे भी ऊंचा और अच्छा काम करते रहें, और आप सचमुच में कम्युनिटी के लिए एक वरदान की तरह थे, और हम हमेशा आपको याद रखेंगे. धन्यवाद. और कुछ किसी भी काम आ सकें तो हम.
नीलू जी धन्यवाद. Value your words.
Or next is our Kedar Kodikal from Konkani Association. Kedar ji, are you there?
Dr. Saab, Chandruji could not able to unmute. Now he just.
Oh, okay. Please, yeah. Chandruji to hamare bilkul. Go ahead, Chandruji.
Namaste ji.
Sajni ji is here. Sajni ji, namaskar, Sajni ji.
Namaste. Namaste, Sanjay ji.
नमस्कार.
आपका साथ बहुत थोड़े समय के लिए रहा. I hope you don't mind if I speak in Hindi.
अरे क्या बात कर रहे हैं, हिंदी तो मैं तो हिंदी में बात करना ही चाहता हूँ. आप जैसे आप बोल रहे थे, पहले मैं कुछ चीज चंद्रू जी आपको बोल दूं, और नीलू जी ने भी इसका ये बताया. आप जो कह रहे हैं कि आपका साथ बहुत छोटा रहा, It's
हाँ जी,
content which is important, not the length.
नहीं वो सही बात है, लेकिन
But it was substantive.
ऐसा है कि जिंदगी में कई लोगों के साथ में साथ छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि कंटेंट अच्छा हो तो और ज्यादा रहने का मन करता है साथ में। तो दो लाइन सुनाऊंगा एक गीत की, क्योंकि सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं, तो मैं एक गीत की 2 लाइनें सुनाऊंगा।
क्या बात है,
एवरीबॉडी डजंट माइंड इट।
वेरी नाइस।
तो वो हमारे जब मित्र जल्दी से छोड़ के हमें जाते हैं, हमें दुख होता है, तो हम गीत गाते हैं, कुछ दुख के गीत गाते हैं। तो मैं 2 लाइनें बताता हूँ। परदेसियों से न अखियां मिलाना, परदेसियों से न अखियां मिलाना, परदेसियों को है एक दिन जाना।
अरे आप फ्रोजन हो गए।
परदेसियों से न अखियां मिलाना। तो हमें दुख हो रहा है कि आप जा रहे हैं इतना जल्दी, लेकिन आप जरूर जहां भी जाते होंगे आपका सब अच्छा ही होने वाला है, बिकॉज यू आर अ ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी, सो यू विल डू गुड एवरीवेयर, वेरेवर यू गो यू विल बी डूइंग द बेस्ट। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग अस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मीट एट लीस्ट डॉक्टर साहब एंड everybody who tried to arrange this welfare for you. I really thank them very much, because in this pandemic situation, this was the only way to meet. So hopefully, maybe in lifetime, we may meet again. Thank you very much, and
बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत धन्यवाद.
Very good.
Doctor, now it's the Konkani Association. I don't think so they are there. The next one is KKNC, Kannada Kuta of Northern California, Raga Muddaya. If you are there, please unmute. Anyone from KKNC? Okay, let's move on to the next, and we'll come back to them later. Vinayak Fadnavis from Maharashtra Mandal of Bay Area. Can you please unmute yourself? Vinayak Fadnavis.
Yeah, he's here, so I saw him earlier.
Now, Vinayak ji, please go ahead.
Namaskar, Sanjay ji. This is Vinayak from Maharashtra Mandal Bay Area. On behalf of MMBA, we are very grateful for your service and commitment to the society. And we wish you best wishes for your next assignment. And I am sure in Turkey also there will be Maharashtra Association, so they'll be connected with you. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
The next one is Sonal Agrawal from the Chhattisgarh Association. Sonal, can you just unmute? Sonal Agrawal from Chhattisgarh.
Sonal ji, go ahead,
Hello.
please.
Hello. I mean, yes. Sir, on behalf of everyone, like entire Indian community, I would say, not just the Chhattisgarh Association or others, like everyone has been saying, we would like to thank you so much for being so reachable. Like everyone could reach out to you and you were always available. That's like such a great thing, in spite you being so busy. So thank you so much. I know it's very overwhelming when you leave one place, you meet so many new people, make new friends, and going to a new place. It's so much to take in and so many emotions running in. All I can say is we would like to wish you all the best, and we hope to stay in touch in future.
Thank you. Thank you, Sonal ji.
So nice, so nice.
The next one is Srinivas Ponnala from Bay Area, Telangana. Srinivas Ponnala, can you unmute yourself? Okay, we'll go on to the next one. Srinivas Manpragada from Tata. Srinivas ji, can you unmute yourself? Srinivas Manapragada from Telangana American Telugu Association. He was there.
He was there earlier.
Okay, so
He's there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to. Namaskar, Sanjay ji. Namaste. This is Srinivas Manapragada from Telangana American Telugu Association. And I know you're leaving to Turkey now, and it's a Turkey day for us all to give a Thanksgiving to you in advance. And really, I don't know, like time flies a lot. You know, we just met you, and we were very fortunate to get associated from our Telangana American Telugu. And really, the mission and the things what you came out with as soon as you took the office at San Francisco, your main motive was to unite all the organization area. And as our Japra Sahib is there, he's always looking forward to get all this organization united. And really with this mission, I think so with your ideas and everything, I think so Japra will lead us in front of getting united with all the organizations. And we wish from our Tata, Telangana American Television Station, we wish you all the best on your future endeavors. And thank you very much for giving and available all the time for the community. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you.
The next person is Sudipto Mukhopadhyay from Prabashi, Bay Area Prabashi.
One second, I'm just unmuting him.
Hey, Judha. Hi. Yeah, it's a very short time. I wish we could have spent a little more time. But I want to actually say a couple of things. You know, we met Sanjay ji a couple of times in the celebrations in the Independence Day or Republican Day, and he has been always very, very supportive of all the activities. I remember I sent an invitation to Sumati ji and Sanjay ji for Durga Puja. He couldn't make it, but he left me a message saying that all the best, and I conveyed that message to all the members. It really touched my heart, and we are always very, very fortunate to have the support from CGI, and we know during the COVID situation how closely we worked, and on the humanitarian ground, and you know, CGI really took care of the people, thought about the community, and I wish all the very best. And I know you're going to do superb in your life, you know, with your sort of personality and motivation to keep the community going together. And I also say that, I want to say that we are all here together in a difficult situation for the country, for the nation. So wherever you go, please remember us, and we are all here together to help out the nation in the difficult time. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Next one is Mahesh Kala from Fog, Odisha.
Just want to add on this. I mean, we all know Amphan has really destroyed Bengal. We all know, and just wanted to thank Sudipto on that. How Prabasi has helped in the, you know, to help people out there on fundraising and, you know, for the poorest of the poor people there. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Okay. Next is Mahesh Pakala from Fog, Odisha. Mahesh, can you just unmute?
I'm doing it. Mahesh, go ahead.
Hey, thank you, Dr. Japra. It's great to be here, and I would like to thank the FOG and the FIR family for organizing such a great virtual farewell party for Pride of Odisha, our CG, Mr. Sanjay Panda. So it is really an honor, and I've never seen a CG accomplish so much in 1 year. He was there when our Prime Minister Modi ji came. He was involved with Article 370, then CAA, then, actually the most important thing, the Purab Festival, the first Purab Festival, he was our chief guest, and many, many events that we did. And in 1 year, I don't ever seen it. He set a very high bar for the next ambassador who's coming here. And like many of you said, he was the most approachable, most dynamic, and I really appreciate his work that he did for the whole Indian community across the board. He didn't see any difference with anybody. And I also like to acknowledge my other Odia friends there, Pratibha, Bhavani, Devashish, and Bhavani, Vinuta, all are there attending. And of course, I forgot my wife, Reena Patnaik. She's also here. And thank you so much. And I'm really honored to be here. And thanks again, Dr. Japra and Mr. Sanjay Panda. Wish you all the best for your promotion and trip to Turkey. I know you will do wonders there. And we are going to miss you. Really. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahesh. It's now Judajit on behalf of Fog Bengal.
Yeah, namaskar, Dr. Panda sir. And still remember, when we were talking last time about you coming to our Durga Puja. So, I mean, it's been a pleasure, sir. I mean, the moment, it's a little bit more connecting for ourselves, as Mahesh Bhai was telling, when Venkatesh ji left and we were waiting for the new city to come. When we heard he's from Odisha, we felt like someone our own is coming. So just wanted to mention that. And you've been an amazing supporter for all our causes, be it with our Navabanga, our Folk Bengal, Durga Puja, and my colleagues are here. I have Debashish, Anirban, Jayantada, and everybody has same emotion. And we will definitely miss you, Panda Saab. And wherever you are going, we heard like it's a Turkey, and we wish you all the very best. And now we know that, and that if we are going to Istanbul, we have a home there.
I'll be based in Ankara.
Oh, is it okay?
Capital of Turkey.
That's okay. Yeah.
Okay, now we move. Thank you, Jurajit. Now we move on to Ajay Dalal from Haryanvi Association of Bay Area. Ajay Dalal, I saw him joining. Ajay ji. Okay, so moving on to P.S. Narayanan from Bharati Tamil Sangam. P.S. Narayanan, can you unmute yourself? From Bharati Tamil Sangam.
Is Jay there, the Jay Venkataramani?
Yeah, so now Narayanan joined in behalf of them. Narayanan, are you there? Okay, next we move on to Manka. I think so. I saw Saju Joseph. Saju Joseph, can you unmute yourself? Manka, Srijit Karutodi or Saju Joseph?
Saju Joseph.
Yeah, I saw him joining.
1 second.
Maybe under FOMA also. Yeah, that's why.
Okay. And Bharati Tamil Sangam is telling that I am unable to unmute. So can you please unmute? So, Rajat, can you unmute?
Yeah, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, you just have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, are you able to hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, Sanjay Pandaji. Good evening. I am Narayanan, President of Bharati Tamil Sangam. We did not meet much, but we participated in Vande Mataram and a lot of other great service that we have provided to our community. I'd like to congratulate on your next assignment and sincerely want to thank you from the bottom of our heart for all the help to our community, including Vande Bharat. You were with us when we needed the most, and thank you very much for your leadership. Good luck.
Judajit, CG got muted. So CG, can you please unmute yourself? And Dr. Japra, you got muted. So can you please unmute?
All right, I heard it. Thank you.
Yeah, so now we move on to from Manka, FOMA. Do we have the representatives, Srijit or Saju? Okay. Next is Rajesh Nair from Nair Service Society. Okay, Ajay Dalal is here. So Ajay ji from Haryana Association. Go ahead.
Sanjay Panda ji, namaskar.
Namaskar, Ajay ji.
From Haryanvi Bay Area Association. We are very fortunate to have you with us, and congratulations for your next assignment. And we wish you all the best. And thank you, Dr. Japra.
Thank you. Thank you.
For organizing this. Thank you very much.
Okay, next, thank you, Ajay ji. Next, we move on to Seva International. People from Seva, Meenal Joshi, are you there from Seva International or any representatives from Seva?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Meenal ji, go ahead.
Yeah. First of all, thank you, Dr. Japra ji, to invite us and arrange this. This is wonderful. Virtually, we can meet. And many thanks to Sanjay ji. Sanjay ji, we didn't really interact one-on-one much, but last few days during the Vande Bharat mission, it was awesome to see you. I mean, I saw him all the flights. He was there for 7-8 hours standing without sitting and taking in, like, people attacking from all the sides, and the calmness and the leadership qualities he has exhibited. I'm amazed, truly amazed. So many congratulations on your promotions. We are really fortunate that we came to know you. And on behalf of Seva International, everyone, all the Bay Area team, we really want to thank you from bottom of my heart. And just one more from my colleague as well.
नमस्ते संजय जी, मैं अभय बात कर रहा हूँ। मेरी भी मुलाकात आपके साथ एयरपोर्ट पे वो फर्स्ट इवैक्यूएशन फ्लाइट के टाइम पे हुई थी। आई डिस्टिंक्टली रिमेम्बर वो वत्सल करके जो लड़का था, उसके लिए आपने रात भर जाग के जो हेल्प की टू मेक श्योर दैट ही गेट्स अ फ्लाइट फ्रॉम न्यू जर्सी न्यूयॉर्क। Every time I talk to him, he talks about you. He doesn't thank you enough. No, he says, I don't know how I can thank this gentleman. So whenever you go to Mumbai, please make sure you get in touch with him. You have his phone number with you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And wish you the very best in your future endeavor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Minal ji. And next we move on to Vijay Kumar Patil from Shivaji Maharaj Parivar from LA. Vijay Kumar Patil from Shivaji.
Yes. Yeah. Namaste, Sanjay ji.
Namaste.
Hope you remember your visit to Southern California.
Of course I do.
Looks like I'm the only guy from Southern California on the call. So
a few others, I think, yeah.
Few others?
Maybe a couple more, yes.
So on
FIA of Southern California as well.
Okay, great. So on behalf of the entire Southern California community, we congratulate you on your new assignment. And thank you for everything that you did for us. I think your leadership style was much different than your predecessors, especially in the meetings when people came and started asking direct questions. We're honored and humbled to see your approach to that, tackling the problems head on. So truly appreciate it. We have a Bay Area President, Viraj Rautji. So I'll ask him to chime in on the local Bay Area activities, but on behalf of the entire organization with different chapters in different cities, I thank you and congratulate you on your new promotion. Thank you. Virajji?
Yeah, namaste Sanjay ji. Thank you very much. I represent the Bay Area for SMAP, but we've seen your work. You've brought the community together, all the organizations, and all the help that you've given to our members, the local community in the last few months also. Our heartiest congratulations, wishes, and blessings with you for your next endeavor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vijay.
Okay, now we move on to Khanderao from Gitpro and FIDS. Khanderao ji, are you there? Okay, next we move on to Saurav Roy from Agomani. Saurav Roy from Agomani.
No, Shobhik Roy.
Shobhik Roy.
Okay, Shobhik Roy, sorry.
Shobhik Roy. Bengali.
Namaskar, Sanjay ji. I think after what we have heard from everyone, it reflects the same thing. I wish that you are able to mentor anybody who comes into your role because you have been such a great role model. I think, as everybody says, how approachable you have been, how your leadership style, I think, actually encompasses what you expect of an ambassador of a country like India, the oldest living culture, and something which talks about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. You have lived that through. Actions and leadership is how you do what you do and how you conduct yourself. So I don't think we have enough words. We may not have interacted as much on a daily basis, but we have constantly, in different events. I actually was lucky to post a few pictures of you and me at different functions. And I know how everybody here is so appreciative of what you have brought to the table, which is to get the community together. So as I said, we can't thank you enough. We would want that, you come back in some form and continue to be a leader in wherever you are, and you will get every support possible. We, of course, were looking forward to get you to our Durga Puja this year. And I'm looking forward that we will stay connected. We are a small organization in, the Tri-Valley, but in our small might have been supporting, whether it's the COVID-19 support here and back in the country. Judah knows and our other organizations here working on Amphan right now. We are glad. I know I have talked to you in Bangla, and you are extremely good at that as well. And similarly in your field, to be able to bring everyone together. So thank you for what you have been. Continue this, mentor others to become like you, and please take all our thanks on behalf of Agumuni and everybody in this community, and continue the good work. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Shobik. You can send me a link. I'll come for the pujo.
Absolutely, we are absolutely streaming this time. So I want a few minutes of yours at our pujo.
Absolutely.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Shobik. And now Sudeep Majumdar from Bebashi. Sudeep
Hello.
Majumdar.
Yes, I'm not in the video. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Chopra, for inviting us. And with me, I have also Santanu Bhattacharya. Today we are giving a farewell to a man who really showed us that success lies in the simple things like hard work, perseverance that we all know, but above all the humility. And Sanjay ji really showed us that particular traits. In my opinion, you are right in the footsteps of the doyens of the Indian Foreign Services, like my own favorite Nirupama Rao, and of course the stalwarts like M. K. Rasgotra and Jan Dixit of the world. Love to see in my lifetime you being the Foreign Secretary of India. That would be a fantastic thing to happen.
Thank you very much.
And
Thank
now
you.
we have Ankit Monga from Kashmir Hindu Foundation. Ankit, are you there? Okay, now we move on to Shankara Foundation. We have Sachindra Nath. Sachin, can you unmute?
Sure. Thank you, Dr. Japra, for organizing this call. Hello, Sanjay ji. What I feel is that you brought a new energy in the Indian diaspora by providing the opportunity to various communities to work in coordination. We really feel privileged to work with you and the consulate for the betterment for our motherland. If you see, this call is a life example of a legacy that all the organizations are working together. Thank you, Dr. Japra, again for organizing this one. And I wish you, sir, very best for your future career and the endeavors. We are looking forward to work with Rajesh ji, Sumichi ji, and other consulate staff. Thank you so much for your cooperation and the work together. Thank you so much, and have a good luck.
Thank you. We also have Krishna Pandey ji with us. He has joined. I just see him. Can you unmute him, Judajit? Krishna Pandey ji from Shiva Durga Temple. Anywhere. Krishna ji, are you still there?
So
Yes,
joined Acharya ji. Yeah.
जी नमस्कार डॉक्टर साहब, आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद ये माननीय मिस्टर संजय पांडा जी के फेयरवेल के लिए जो आपने ये प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया. एंड ऑफ कोर्स डेफिनेटली हम सब लोग पूरी बे एरिया की सारी कम्युनिटी हमारे कॉन्सुलेट जनरल साहब की विनम्र स्वभाव को, जो हर एक लोगों की भावनाओं को समझते हुए हर पल हर क्षण, मैंने देखा है कि इवन मैंने अगर रात में ही मैसेज दिया है तो I got reply within a short time, 10 minutes and 5 minutes, and immediately sometimes to help to the community. ऐसा स्वभाव एक सीनियर ऑफिसर्स का, एक एम्बेसडर का, मैं ये तो नहीं कहता हूँ कि नहीं होता है, लेकिन शायद मैंने नहीं देखा है. मैं बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ माननीय कॉन्सुलेट जनरल साहब का. और मुझे पहला अवसर मिला था जब यहाँ पर इस स्टेशन पर आए थे, तो उनका मंदिर में स्वागत करने के लिए उनका विनम्र स्वभाव, उनका हेल्पिंग नेचर देख करके मेरे आर्मी के जीवन के जो जनरल साहब जो होते थे, चीफ ऑफ द आर्मी स्टाफ, जिनके साथ मैंने बहुत सारे चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ के साथ बीइंग ए धर्म गुरु मैंने काम किया है, उनके स्वभाव यहाँ पर मुझे देखने को मिले हैं. मैं बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूँ और हृदय से उन्हें धन्यवाद देता हुआ साथ ही साथ उनके उन्नत भविष्य के लिए मैं शुभकामनाएं ही नहीं देता हूं, बल्कि यह विश्वास रखता हूं कि भविष्य में भारत के लिए गौरव साबित होकर के हम सभी भारतीयों को एक अभिमान दिलाएंगे. साथ ही साथ उनके बीइंग रिलीजियस लीडर, मैं दो शब्द कहना चाहूंगा जो हमारे स्क्रिप्चर्स में कहते हैं कि वज्रादपि कठोराणि कुसुमादपि मृदूनि च. अनुशासन के लिए राजा को जैसे कठोर होना चाहिए, हमारे श्रीमान कॉन्सुलेट जनरल साहब ठीक उस प्रकार से हमें दिखाई पड़े, लेकिन कुसुमादपि मृदूनि च, लेकिन हृदय से लोगों की मदद करने के लिए, सहायता करने के लिए हर संभव जो है पुष्प की पंखुड़ियों के समान सुगंधित और कोमल रहे हैं। बिफोर एंडिंग माय व्यूज, मैं 2 शब्द कहना चाहूंगा माननीय कंसर्ट जनरल साहब के लिए कि जाने वाले अपनी खुशबू छोड़ के पीछे जाते हैं, अपनी यादों से दिल में बसकर याद दिलाते हैं। जाने वाले जाते ही हैं, यादों से हम जाने ना देंगे, रहो कहीं भी प्रिय और मेरे, प्यार तेरा छलकाने ना देंगे। मैं बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूं माननीय कंसर्ट जनरल साहब को और पूरे परिवार को तथा भारत के आगामी गौरव बनने के लिए। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आचार्य जी।
We have Doctor, we have Madhuri from Silicon Andhra. Madhuri Chopura Khaja from Silicon Andhra.
Okay.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, Ramesh, for organizing this. And I'm Madhuri Choprala Khaja from Silicon Andhra Global Team, and I'm the Vice President, Community Relations. Thank you for your leadership, Sanjay ji. Thank you so much, and your service. You were very, very approachable in every aspect that we have, looked for. And on behalf of Silicon Andhra, we congratulate you on your, next wonderful, trip to Turkey and all. Thank you, Ramesh ji. Thank you, Sanjay ji.
Thank you. Thank you.
very
See,
much.
now, see, on behalf of our FIA, Fremont Hindu Temple, for Americans for Hindus, we have a lot of people here, but I think we're going to be running out of time. So what I'm going to tell them to, on their behalf, say, when we meet Sanjay ji, at that time we will be getting our sentiments over to him. I know, I think Yogi Chug has just messaged that he had to leave, join another one. If he's still there, you can say a few words.
I'm back here, Dr. Japra.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Ambassador Panditji, it's been truly an honor to have you be in our midst. One of the things that we're most proud of is a community that is so diverse. One of the things is with Dr. Japra and the FI family and many people on this Zoom farewell is a testament to the impact that you made to us in our lives, in our hearts, and both in our emotions. I just remember, I know Dr. Japra has been in this community for a long time, but since the 80s, we've hosted many receptions and many farewells of our Council Generals. But in the short period of time, Ambassador, you have really made a difference. What I've admired most about you, and I've spoken often to some of our FI members, there is not any aspect of our community that you've not touched. And you truly take the time to get to know people on a personal level. And that's a testament to your work. We're going to miss you. It's an assignment, but we know that the ambassadorship in Turkey is a strategic one for India. We look forward to working with you and continuing to stay in touch with you. We hope that the United States will be another opportunity for you to come back sometime in the future. But in the interim, we look forward to working with you and building US-India partnership, which we believe is going to be a glowing partnership of the 21st century. You've inspired us. You've always been complimentary of us. You've given us hope. And thank you so much for your leadership, sir, and the best of luck on your new assignment. We will truly miss you.
Thank you. Thanks, Yogi.
Thank you, Yogi. The last one, I think we have Sunil Ganu from Swarsudha, and then we're going to request Sanjay ji to say a few words. Is Sunil Ganu, can you unmute him?
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay Panda. I saw you. You are very straightforward, very witty when you convey your opinion and speeches. I become your fan because of that. And I remember one event where I invited you for Ashwini Bhide's concert. And next day I got a call and you are explaining all the details about her. You are such a connoisseur of music and have that connection that, oh, you are not available, but you inquired about, I'm in San Diego, is there any concert? That shows how much you wanted to attend. It is not just protocol, but you involved into this this event. So I really appreciate all your programs that I attended. You are very approachable. So I feel, I mean, very few, we will miss you after you are gone, but I'm very happy that you are going for a promotion to Turkey. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sunilji. As you know that we have religious organization, social, cultural, spiritual, but the political arena is also getting very, very hot, not only United States, back in India. And we have Nisha Sharma ji, who's really taken on a great, great step to run for Congress. And I just see she has joined us. I would request her to say a few words. We need you, Nisha ji. Are you there? Nisha Sharma, can you unmute her?
Yes, I don't see her now. So she joined, but now I don't see her.
Okay.
Okay. So we have some messages from FIA Orange County and Friends of India.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can come back and do that, but I think let's, because I know Sanjay ji has to be there someplace else also. There's another meeting, even though he joined us a little late, but I think let's give him the benefit.
You didn't get me in. I was ready.
Is that right? Oh, I see. Thank you. Sorry about that, Bart. Little confusion there with the emails. So you have how many minutes, more minutes you have then, Sanjay, so we can get some more messages then?
No, I'm here for the next 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
I'd just like to have 1 minute. Namaste, Pandya ji.
Namaste.
We met you, rather I met you, with Dr. Sharma in Riverside for Gandhiji's 150th.
Anji. Yes.
And I also have your signed business card, which I believe in the numbers are going to change. But you were fantastic that day, and it's it's a sad and it's a good. It's sad that you're leaving, but glad that you're being promoted. So your memories will always be with us. You've been so kind and helpful. So best of luck and best wishes, for your future, venture.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I think Nisha Sharma ji came back. I think she's still there. So can you unmute her? Nisha ji, can you unmute yourself and then speak?
Can you hear me?
Yes, of course.
Hello, Panda ji.
Hear you now.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. कैसे हैं आप? Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Oh, okay. Yeah, first of all, I want to say thank you for all your services, and we are really, really proud the way you have represented India here, the way you represented our culture here. We feel really blessed that we met, and I learned a lot from you, and we are seeing you as our role models, the way we make our country, our homeland country, India, proud here. And I've been just following yours and Dr. Japra's footsteps. I need your blessings. Yes, I am going forward for the elections in November. Please just bless me and share your thoughts on it. And I will always be looking forward to be in touch with you. And I just want to say congratulations on your promotion. Looking forward, please do share your email address where we can be in touch with you. And I really, really very grateful to all of your services, the way you conducted all the events there. I attended almost all the events you organized, and you're such a humble person. And thank you so much for your services, sir. Really appreciate.
Thank you, Nisha.
Thank you very much. We also have Gaurang Desai from Friends of India Society International with us. Gaurang Desai.
Namaste, Sanjay ji. Congratulations on behalf of Friends of India Society International.
There's some echo. Yeah, now
okay.
It's okay.
Our President, Dr. Bhishma Agnihotri ji, would also like to congratulate you. There's a saying that, life may be short, but it should be fruitful. The United States was very short, just a year, but you had made such a great impact. You were here during some major events like CAA 370 and COVID, and I had an opportunity to see you in action on January 26th. The way you handled the event and the way you were encouraging, it was very, exciting for people to get involved. And again, I would like to congratulate you on this promotion. And now we'll be calling you ambassador, not consul general. Congratulations.
It's not a promotion actually for me. I'm at the same level.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. We also have Brian Prasad with us from FIA Orange County, all the way from Southern California, Orange County. Brian ji. Yes, go ahead. FIA of Orange County, Brian Prasad, are you still there, or I know he was earlier.
I don't see his picture. I know Brian very well.
Can I
Yes.
just say something? Ambassador Pradeep Kapoor, I see is here.
Oh, okay. Let's Pradeep Kapoor ji.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you very much. I am just so happy to participate in this call and listen to all the, comments being mentioned and the praises being showered on Ambassador Sanjay Panda. Known Ambassador Panda now for a very long time. It's been a long association, and I'm truly very proud. And it's a matter of great honor for him that he is going to be going as Ambassador of India to Turkey, as he has explained very clearly. He's going at the same level, but go to a place like Turkey, which has currently a very difficult sort of relationship with India, is some of the best officers would be given those sort of assignments to manage our relations with a difficult country. So having seen him in such close quarters in my life in Nepal and his other assignments, and even in his assignment in San Francisco, where we narrowly missed meeting each other, but having, like many of you have mentioned, his capacity to work is absolutely phenomenal. He's a very good officer, very firm officer, very upright officer, very outstanding officer. The whole country is proud of officers like him, and our best wishes are always such outstanding individuals who do such great work in the country wherever they step. And it's a great job that Dr. Japra, you and your team have done in bestowing this honor as a farewell to this great individual. So I congratulate all of you for participating in this event, and back to you, Sanjay ji, and our warmest regards, best wishes, lots of love and blessings.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And our President Rajesh Verma, FIA and Hindu Temple co-chair, of course, he wears many, many hats. I've gotten him to say a vote of thanks, but he also would like to say a couple of words right now. So Rajesh ji, can you unmute him? Rajesh Verma.
Rajesh ji?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. सबसे पहले तो ये कहूँगा कि on behalf of FIA and Fremont Hindu Temple, I would like to congratulate Sanjay ji for your promotion and going away as an ambassador to Turkey. We really wish you all the luck. And it seems like only yesterday that Dr. Japra and myself, we came to your office. It was probably your second day, something like that, in the afternoon. And Vidya was there too, I believe, So we met you, and that was the first impression, is the last impression, or best impression. And we came back very happy, very satisfied that I think we are going to have a excellent, support from the consulate and you and your staff, which we had. It seems like it is very short for 1 year, but we are happy that you're going on a promotion, and we wish you all the luck and best of luck, and stay safe and healthy. And of course, we will be here, Dr. Japra, myself, the whole team will be here in the coming years, hopefully. So whenever you're here for your private visit or as an individual, as a family, look for us. We'll be very happy and more than happy to host you and take care of you and your family. So you're welcome. You're a family now. So that's what I would like to say. And this goes from all the devotees, all the management of Fremont Hindu Temple, as well as the big team of FIA, including so many people, that already talked, and there are a lot more people who have not joined in as yet, So really wish you the best of luck. Stay safe and healthy and prosperous, and that's what we can wish, And most likely you are going to a little better place than here as far as the COVID-19 goes, So, stay safe and healthy, and we'll meet again soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the kind words.
Anil Sarpurji, Yoga Bharti, I think he's joined and would like to say a few words. Yoga Bharti.
Thanks, Dr. Japraji, for organizing this event.
Right now.
And it's overwhelming to see a lot of organizations representative joining the call. And namaste, Honorable CGI C. Pandaji. On behalf of Yoga Bharti, congratulate for your new assignment, which in Turkey, which is much needed, I would say, because of the kind of relationship we need to build between India and Turkey. And of course, I didn't have the opportunity to meet you in person. Of course, your stay was short here, but I read all the reports, and your community engagement and the leadership you have shown in various activities with various organizations, and Yoga Bharti being the organization promoting yoga, holistic yoga in US, combining best of East and West. And we represented Vyasa, which is a premier yoga university in India, and also yoga research center and a hospital where we are. Our president, Dr. Nagendra, is very closely associated with Prime Minister Modi ji in promoting the yoga and yoga-related policies. And we are very happy to represent our organization here and provide our little service to the community. And we'll definitely miss you, but we are happy that you are going on a much bigger and much needed assignment. And we wish you all the best. And even though we miss you, you are in our heart and wherever you are. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Sanjay ji. Forum is yours now, right there, the whole plate. I know, sorry, we took a little bit extra time, but since you said you have some time with us, so please say a few words, then I'll come back and we'll try to, some of the other people who wanted to say something, but I'll recognize them.
Thank you, Dr. Japra. I'm really, at the outset, I'm really honored and grateful for you to organize this. In fact, when this news came about and the announcement was made in March, and in fact, I was to organize I thought, let me organize a reception and meet everybody, but that had to be canceled. And I was, in fact, drafting a letter of thanks to everybody because I thought I'll have to go back without even meeting anybody in person. And in fact, then the flight got canceled. So that letter I'm just keeping, I didn't post it.
That's right.
So I'm really grateful for you. It's really thoughtful of you to organize this so that I could meet everybody. I could hear, in fact, I'm so touched by the nice words and the kind of things which everybody has mentioned. It means the world to me. I mean, I really value it. But I thought, let me clarify something. I mean, when I came to San Francisco, I didn't come to San Francisco by accident. I came to San Francisco by choice. I said no to my second ambassadorial assignment. I was going somewhere else. Rather, I opted to come to San Francisco. The reason which I've said on many occasions, I'll say it again as I go, that my entire career as ambassador, Pradeep Kapoor knows, I've been dealing with bilateral matters. This was something which I was looking at, a refreshing change. Apart from, I was never posted in a consulate, and I never did the work that was happening in the consulate. And coming to world's largest consulate, both in terms of geographic area and the Indian diaspora, 1.45 million Indian diaspora, is actually a big honor. And it was, if you say I'm going for a larger assignment now, or more important assignment, I would like to correct you. I'm not going on any promotion. It's at the same level. I am a foot soldier. Whatever the general decides, I follow. So I was asked to go there, and you are right. It's a very, very important relationship. And there are certain issues, some which needs to be set right. It's communication. Yes, it's important. That's what diplomats are supposed to do. when you need to educate people a little bit. And that's what we have been doing here. As you know, some people who have been talking badly about India, especially some people of Indian origin, that actually breaks my heart. And I'm very happy at the way the Indian diaspora has itself come about to tell them, especially some political personalities who of Indian origin, who have not been very charitable about portraying their motherland, which I really, I was very sad to hear that. But fortunately, the large majority of the diaspora are, echoing the sentiments and trying to educate them. So, as I once said, that it is we have the creme de la creme of India, which is in the United States. And we always endeavored, and this is what I always felt, that we want this creme de la creme to really be part of India's growth story. They have to, whenever any change is taking place in India, if there are misguided elements, I think it is, the onus is on you to really set it right. Friends, it's very difficult to say goodbye. So I don't want to say goodbye. Like in Hindi, you said phir milenge. So I would say phir milenge. But I go back, actually, it's been, this posting here has been a learning experience. I'm here, I've been here for 1.5 years, exactly 1.5 years now. So within 1.5 years, I mean, I feel that there are a lot of things which have happened. And yes, it was action-packed. But if I look back, I think, and I go back with satisfaction that there have been things which I wanted to do, which of course no mention has been made here, but I wanted to tell you one of my, what I feel was my major contribution here. If you ask me what I take a lot of pride in, it is actually the little bit that I could do for the asylees, the Sikh asylees who were here. And, somehow there was this feeling. In fact, my very first week of my arrival here, I saw that there were people who were not being given visa because at one point in time that come as asylum became your citizen and their names figure in the blacklist. So we put the blacklist in the shredder, and then we started giving visa. San Francisco was the first to do so. And then we also pitched in to get them Indian passport, because their asylum granted, but getting citizenship, they had to wait for 8-10 years. And that eventually came in March. So that's a major development, which I thought was important for us to do. And then, of course, we all work together in when the challenges which are posed by the, the changes that the Prime Minister brought about in India, and very bold changes, Article 370 abrogation, and then the introduction of CAA. And that I was very fortunate to work with the community, and very strongly they really put forth the case. So I'm delighted and very happy to have worked with you together. And in fact, as I leave for Turkey, I must tell you that I'm leaving, but both my sons will be in the US. So one in New York, one will be in San Francisco. So this will be our second home. So we will be coming and we'll be meeting. I mean, of course, having said that, even if the sons were not here, I mean, we're doing so many friends here. So we have to be back. We have to be back, and I'm sure our paths will cross. Otherwise, you also know that you have a friend in Turkey. I will be there, and I hopefully, in case any of you are coming there, we'll be delighted really to have you in India House. And friends, I must also tell you that we are having a very seasoned diplomat who is coming to replace me here. My successor's name is Dr. T.V. Nagendra Prasad. He is a seasoned diplomat. He's been ambassador in one of the Central Asian countries. And now he is heading the Gulf division in the Ministry of External Affairs. So you can imagine the person who is handling Gulf and the entire Indian diaspora in the Gulf region, millions and millions of them. I mean, you can imagine how competent he would be. So he is looking forward to coming very quickly. in fact, a few days after I leave, by the middle of maybe by the middle of next month or latest by the end of next month, he should be here. And so, friend, with these words, I mean, I'm really grateful. I'm really touched, and also getting a little wee bit emotional by the kind words that you all had to share about me. And there have been so many messages on this chat, but since I was listening, I couldn't respond to you. So please forgive me. But I want to tell you that I always remain indebted to Dr. Japra for doing this, for thinking of this, for organizing this. Otherwise, I would have left without even saying goodbye to me. So this is something which is really I appreciate. Thank you very much. And like Chandru Bamraji said something Pardesi. So I thought let me also say 2 lines in response. चलते चलते मेरे ये याद रखना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I tell you, a great personality. We're gonna definitely miss you, but as our friend, as a consul general, partner, wonderful human being. I'm since this started, Chandru, you started, and you said a couple of words. I'm gonna say, लोग कहते हैं बदलता है ज़माना हरदम, आदमी वो हैं जो ज़माने को बदल देते हैं. So you have changed a lot over here in 1.5 years in the Bay Area. Momentum is on. I tell you, there's so much energy which you're leaving behind, and we are lucky that we have Rajeshji, Sumiti ji with us also. Carry on this energy, but you know, you're going to change even the relationship between Turkey and India out there, and we're looking forward to a really global Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world as a family, and we're all working towards that. World is so small, like you said, and your family is still here, and we're looking forward to having you back, and then hopefully there'll be no COVID, and we could have a couple of drinks together, and then celebrate still together. So it'll be a wonderful, looking forward to that.
Thank you so much.
Like I said, on behalf of all our people, hopefully either we'll come to San Francisco or to the airport over the weekend and give you the plaque and many of these messages. And we have with us Deepak ji, Alka Bhatnagar ji, Charu Vedya ji, Chris over here. And I can go over and over. There are a lot of people, but Amrit Jogi, on behalf of all of them, we would like to thank you for spending some time. I know must be very, very busy trying to wrap up everything well before leaving. So once again, bahut dhanyawad. Thank you.
CG, on behalf of India Post, I would like to thank you and thanks for all the support you have given for India Post in this short time. Thanks a lot. And just I wanted to recognize Manka had joined just now. So Sergeant, just unmute yourself and just a few minutes. You can just give your farewell message to him. Sergeant from Manka. Sergeant, you can unmute.
You have been unmuted.
Yes. Sergeant. Sergeant, you can talk.
Yeah, I think there's something with the sound, so that's all right.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all, the organization, for joining as well.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Dhaval ji.
Yeah.
Gaurav ji, bahut dhanyawad.
Thank you all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Japra sir.
Thank you, Japra sir, and everyone.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you,
everyone.
Thank you, Ramesh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Vidya, for organizing everything.
Yeah. Wonderful to have everyone.
Yep.
Great.
Thank you, Dr. Saab.
Thank you. Everybody's looking so great. That's wonderful to see that. Now we at least. Yeah.
Thank you. Like a sadhu.
Thank you. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sanjay.
Doctor, there's a lot of media who has joined, so we can just thank them.
Yeah, absolutely. Who are the media? So Rituji, could you please thank the media as well? Ritu Maheshwari, are you still there? Is Ritu there? Or you go ahead. Otherwise, I know we had
Hi,
Meena
Dr. Jap.
TV Asia. Okay, there you go.
I saw
Oh, Jasleen is here. Okay, I didn't see you.
There, TV Asia, Jasleen Kanuja, Poonam Bajaj from Sitare TV. I saw Vandana Kumar joining as well. So thank you, all the media.
Thank you, Vidya. Thank you, Dr. Japra.
Thank
And on
you,
behalf
sure,
of
Jasleen.
Flow
Keep
India-
up the good work. Yeah, that's right. I've been
I would
watching your videos. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I would like to thank Sanjay Panda ji for being such a great leader here today. We truly enjoyed the warmth of your leadership, Sanjay. And thank you, Dr. Japra.
Dr. Japra.
Ritu just joined back, Doctor.
Okay, Ritu, is anybody else you want to? She's a media chair, does a wonderful job getting the whole media. I'm sure this video is going to be also going through the media to a lot of more people who could not watch it. And hopefully we'll get some clips out of this and then share it with everyone out there. It's been wonderful hearing everybody and seeing everybody.
We also have Doordarshan, GD News Yadagiri. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Hello, this is Jerry Ahuja. I want to say a couple words.
Thank you, Jerry ji.
हाँ जी.
आप दो लाइनें गा दीजिए गाने की एक.
Okay, line तो ये
गाने
कि
का
I
माहौल
will
है.
say,
हाँ.
will say for Sanjay Pandya, Consul General, he was very great. Was doing a great when I was there. We were celebrating January 26 this year, and I enjoyed it over there. He did a very good job for the community as well as for the office. I will say stay safe and healthy wherever you go.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, stay healthy and safe. You take care and
Thank
let
you.
us know when and where we can meet you. You said,
In
फिर मिलेंगे, कहाँ मिलेंगे?
अंकारा में मिलेंगे.
यहीं मिलेंगे.
Ankara is a beautiful place, actually.
आप बुलाएंगे तो यहाँ मिलेंगे.
Very good. Bay Area is the heaven on the earth. So
Ankara भी बहुत अच्छा. I was there 2 years ago in Ankara. It's a very historic.
अच्छा, मुझे 8:30 बजे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस से मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. मैं आप सबसे
ठीक है.
आता हूँ.
Thank you.
नमस्कार. God bless you. God bless
Thank you once again for doing this.
Sanjay ji. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
The best.
Good luck. Thank you, Dr. Japra.
Thank you.
Thank you, Foguri sir.
Thank you, Ramesh Japra. Thank you very much.
Sure, Jerry.
Thank you for inviting me.
Take care.
Oh, Ritesh ji just joined. Oh my God, I took your name. Where were you? Were you there?
Yeah, थोड़ा सा
Late हो गया.
call में थोड़ा लंबा हो गया, पता ही नहीं चला. Yeah, thank you so much, भाई, for organizing.
No,
It's very
absolutely.
nice.
रितेश जी दो लाइन गा लीजिए.
हाँ जी.
Yeah, we missed you. Actually, I remembered you earlier, even though Nopma and otherwise I didn't see your name, so you just must have joined.
No problem, bhai. I can say I heard you, and this is awesome. I think we should do all our meeting like this. This is like sitting in front of you. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Absolutely, we would love to.
We are doing our all.
Thank you, Japra ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
डॉक्टर साहब अभी लगता है फॉग की मीटिंग करनी पड़ेगी.
हाँ बिल्कुल करेंगे. और क्या, अभी तो फेस्टिवल भी करेंगे. मैं जगह ढूंढ रहा हूँ. यहाँ नहीं हुई तो कहीं ना कहीं तो करेंगे. लाइव में करेंगे. We cannot,
good luck to find a good place.
जैसे हमारे राज कपूर जी कहते थे, party must go on.
Yeah, that's
So,
right.
Celebration has to continue.
अभी इससे लग रहा है कि अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई.
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. That's right. After the party now. अभी म्यूजिक लगाइए, थोड़ा डांस वांस करें. Right. Jasleen is in a mood to dance. हमारे पास singers तो काफी हैं यहाँ पर. We have a lot of singers here.
quarantine में सारे इतने bored हैं. I think everyone would love to have a dance floor opened up.
That's right. The virtual
Well,
dance floor we're gonna do.
well, I can say तेरा जैसा यार कहाँ.
All right.
Yeah. तेरा जैसा यार कहाँ, देखा तेरा यार.
कभी आपको चलाने वाला है अलका भट्ट जी. I didn't see the name. I just see the name. अलका जी को लाइए जरा.
हाँ,
हेलो.
हाँ जी तो चलिए दो लाइनें गाइए. अभी आपका नाम देखा मैंने. अलका जी is there. Thank you for joining us.
हाँ, आपको सुनाई दे रहा है?
डॉक्टर साहब बिल्कुल सुनाई दे रहा है.
Can hear you, Alka ji.
क्या सुनाओ?
हाँ जी सुनाइए अलका जी.
कि सबको आता हो, so all can join you.
Sure, we will all.
दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है. दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है. सुनाई दिया आपको?
हाँ बिल्कुल सुनाई दे रहा है. क्या बात है. बहुत अच्छा. बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत cool. Thank you.
Yugajit,
top জায়গায় প্রত্যেকটি জায়গায় দেখছি মানে any people like team smart these days meteorological যে চিফ যে দেশে আগে তো সব গ্লোবাল লোক থাকতো, এখন মেট্রোলজি চিফ সুপার সাইক্লোনের মতো.
Dr. Shubhit ended?
Yeah.
তিনি আসবেন, তিনি উড়িয়ে.
Okay. So I'm ending the call now. Judajit, please end the call. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you all for joining. Thank you.
Thank you.
And everyone.
Thank you. So nice.
Thank you, Japraji.
बहुत धन्यवाद. Oh, Lakshmi is here finally. Okay, I didn't see her.
Oh, I was here for a while.
So your name doesn't come up here, huh?
So it's because over 100
yes.
people are there, right? So
Right.
the tile
In between more than. Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Chabra and entire FOG team. This is Sudeep from Debashi.
Thank you, Sudeep. So nice, Sudeep da.
That's why I stopped saying thank you really, because what you did, passion and commitment and effectiveness is just awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We're looking forward to working with you.
And we should keep doing more of these things.
All right, sure. We'll absolutely do it.
It's
Now, Supriya is coming on Saturday, so please join us.
Absolutely, we'll do that.
Yeah. So on that day also, we'll have a very good time. You know, relationship between India and United States. And every 2-3 days, we're going to have one or the other function. So please keep joining us. We'll make sure that we'll keep this group alive. Judaji, we're going to keep this group alive so that we can inform everybody on our upcoming events on Zoom.
Yeah. So, Dr. Saab, we might want to just announce that this tomorrow, day after tomorrow, at night 7 p.m., we are hosting the Minister of State for Environment and Energy and the Environment, Babu Supriyoji, who was like who's a famous playback singer and turned into a politician. He's a BJP MP from Asansol, West Bengal, and Minister of State. So with Amphan, what happened and all that thing, discuss about many other things. And this is, series of conversations that we are having. So, stay with us, as Dr. Saab says, and you will have some very interesting personalities joining, and it will be always a fun.
Khub bhalo.
Hello.
Khub bhalo, Judajit. Absolutely.
Sure.
You can also sing Babuji.
Judajit, can you just end the meeting?
End the meeting. Okay. Bye, everyone.
Okay. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you. Namaskar.